probably we are living in exponential times, and I'm part of the baby boomer generation, and I was raised with Star Trek, and there was one episode where the Enterprise was pushed back in the early 70s, and then Scotty was acting with the computer, and quite naturally he was talking to the computer. He said, "Computer, can you please give me these data?" And I think even 5 or 10 years ago, this would be completely science fiction. Today, we have our Siri, we have our Hello Google, we have our Watson. So it is coming really to something which is not fiction and which is not, I would say it's still science, but it is available today. And this makes probably a big impact on procurement, and not only on procurement, but on all other functions as well. And this leads me to the second E, which is education. So not only the CPO, but the entire function of supply chain, procurement, finance needs to get the next step to understand the technology, to use this technology. So we are looking for the student 4.0, the professor 4.0, the procurement 4.0, to enable all these things, to make, to have the benefits and to enable all this technology. And I'm telling my students, in the first semester, before you leave our university and you are graduated in supply chain management or in procurement or maybe in business and engineering, all of the things I'm telling you today are outdated then, because every 3 to 4 years, there is some new science out there, there is new knowledge, and so we cannot, let's say, teach the old models of the steam machine or maybe the steam locomotive invented in 1850 or whatever the year was. So we have to be up to date, we have to speed up and to really look out what is on the market, what are the new technologies. And last but not least, we should be eager to fight. Because if we are just seen as a cost cutter and we're just telling cost avoidance, hard savings and things like this for years and years and years. And today we are talking about innovation, and innovation is mostly done by the suppliers, not by our own company. Then we really have to add value and create value, and it's not just pure cost cutting, it's really understanding the entire network, it's innovating and putting the customer first, putting new ideas first, and then translating it into products with our supplier base.